Hello everyone. This video is not related to programming or any of the development tool or automation tool, but this video is just to save money. If you are a traveler and you are traveling different countries, then this video is for you. You can stay in any location throughout the world free of cost. So we have a website called workaway.info. So we have a website workaway.info, and from here you can just join it, and after that you can live in any country free of cost. Just what you have to do, once you will live there, you have to do some work, for example farming or anything that they want, and for that there you can stay, and you can live there free of cost. So this website will help you in that. For example, you can just click on plan your trip, and from here you can search the country, right? Let's say I just want to search for France, and then date and language, anything that you want, right? French, and then just search here. So now you will get this kind of information here, that destination is France and the date available between this. So here is the work that they are looking for, right? You have to just contact it, and so you have to first join it, and then after contacting, just fill these details, and once they will accept, you can directly reach to that location and work with them and stay free of cost. Thank you so much for watching the video. See you in the next one.